Hello, my name is Ian Benjamin, and I'm the CEO of Community Capital New York. Thank you for taking the time to watch our presentation on access to capital. We hope that you find it informative and that it will answer many of the questions you may have on borrowing for your business. Throughout our presentation, you will meet many of our dedicated team members that have worked with hundreds of business owners and potential business owners such as yourself to help them succeed in all types of business environments. So first, a little introduction to Community Capital New York. We are a non-profit organization that has been supporting small business owners and entrepreneurs in the Hudson Valley for more than 30 years with loans and consulting support. We are certified as a community development financial institution by the U.S. Department of the Treasury. We provide loans that conventional lenders are unable or unwilling to provide at reasonable rates. And now I will turn it over to our Chief Lending Officer, Kelly Almanzar, who will walk you through our small business offerings.
Thanks, Ian. Our small business lending products are targeted to small businesses and startups that have traditionally lacked access to capital. Our mission at Community Capital New York is to serve the Black, Hispanic, and low-income communities throughout the 7 counties of the Hudson Valley, the Bronx, and Fairfield County. We fulfill our mission at CCNY by using a variety of loan products that best fit the needs of our borrowers. Currently, our average loan size is approximately $44,000 in our portfolio, and we have $1.35 million of loans committed to over 31 businesses in the areas we serve. While we currently serve microloans that are under $50,000, we also provide loans that are over $50,000 through the SBA Community Advantage Program. Our small business offerings include a variety of products such as a credit builder product, a small business loan offerings, and lines of credit. The loan amounts on these loans can be for as little as $1,000 and all the way up to $150,000. These loan products can be used for many things such as leasehold improvements, marketing, inventory, fees, working capital, energy improvement, or even debt consolidation. We think that you'll find at CCNY that we have the right set of products to help you start or grow your business. Next, Veronica Coleman, our Vice President of Special Operations and Compliance, will guide you through our business guidance and consulting services.
Thank you, Kelly. Here at Community Capital, we pair our small business loans with over 3,000 hours of free business training. Yes, I said free. Financial guidance, and individual consulting. That's 250 free hours per month offered to our clients for business training. We also offer financial education, training such as free webinars and workshops, pre- and post-loan assistance to prepare their loan documents, QuickBooks trainings, legal clinics, and a scholarship to help our loan clients with new business skills that will help them improve their profitability and success rate. We have a formula for success. The combination of loans paired with business education programs has allowed Community Capital's clients to report a 4-year business survival rate of 87% compared to the national average of 50%. Now, Fernando Ahumada, VP of Lending, will talk to us about our commercial loans and products. Take it away, Fernando.
Thank you, Veronica. Traditionally, small business owners have applied to banking institutions for their loans. To no surprise, banks are the largest lenders to small businesses, but they could be the most expensive for entrepreneurs. Here are some items to consider. Fixed interest rates, required credit scores, which traditionally need to be very strong, at least 2 years of business history, so if you're a startup, you may not qualify. Usually, these loans require collateral. What makes Community Capital New York different? Well, for starters, we offer flexible eligibility criteria, and we are more willing to work with borrowers who have limited credit history or no collateral. Because of our mission, we promote economic development and access to capital in low-income communities. We offer personalized support through application process. Some examples of how we can help you are financial education, business planning, and business coaching. For your business, what is your history of your business? What are the strengths and weaknesses of your businesses or business? Are your sales growing? What are the reasons for borrowing? How much money do you need? Does it make sense to borrow? In regards to your personal credit, what is your personal credit like? What is your credit history like? And does it have any red flags? As far as debt coverage, after paying all of your debts, do you have the capacity to take on one more debt? And ultimately, can you repay this loan? Once you've taken these items into consideration, you will need to determine what product is the best one for you and your business. Whether it is a term loan or a line of credit, both loans could be used for inventory, receivables, operating capital, equipment, expansion, leasehold improvements, or even refinancing of business debt. As far as terms, lines of credit go up to 12 months, and term loans can have terms from 2 years to 10 years. Thank you. And I would like to introduce Erica Fermin, our fellow loan officer here at Community Capital New York.
Thank you, Fernando. APR rate and potential fees. What exactly is APR? APR stands for annual percentage rate. The annual percentage rate is the combination of the interest as well as any potential fees associated with the loan. And potential fees can include an application fee, which is an upfront fee for your loan request, origination fee, which is a fee charged to actually process your loan, and of course, closing fees, also known as closing costs, which are the various expenses and fees that come with the process of securing a loan. In some instances, there could even be miscellaneous fees that get included in the interest as well. You should always be wary of lenders who do not provide you with an APR to do a loan cost comparison. It's important to educate yourself so that you avoid dealing with predatory lenders. There's a link at the bottom of the screen that we've included with a website that offers some handy tools for loans. When applying for a loan, whether it's your business or a personal loan, it's essential to have the right documentation ready. Let's go over a couple of things that you would probably need. You'll need a business plan. For existing businesses, an executive summary of your business is usually sufficient. However, if you're a startup, you'll need a detailed full business plan outlining your objectives, strategies, and financial projections. This is a wonderful way of educating yourself on your business as well. You'll need a detailed information on borrowing needs. Be prepared to explain why you need the loan and how you intend to use the funds. Having a clear borrowing purpose helps the lenders assess your application. You'll also need 2 years of personal tax returns as well as 2 years of business tax returns if you're an existing business. For startups, you'll need to provide 36 months of financial projections. Interim business financials. If you're an existing business, you should be prepared to provide profit and loss statements as well as balance sheets. Existing debt schedule or personal credit. For established businesses, a debt schedule detailing your existing loans and liabilities is very important. As far as your personal credit, you definitely want to work toward having an acceptable credit history. Personal financial statements. Both startups and existing businesses will typically need to provide a personal financial statement, which outlines your personal assets and liabilities. This would include providing both personal and business bank statements. Now I'd like to hand the reins back over to Ian, our CEO.
Thank you, Erica, and thank you to the Small Business Lending team. I hope this presentation has been helpful to you as you consider how to access capital for your new or existing business. We look forward to working with you. On this slide, you will see 3 QR codes you can access with the camera on your smartphone. Please use these to sign up for our newsletter, to begin to apply for a loan, and to follow us on Instagram. And the code at the bottom of the screen will take you to the homepage of our website. Thank you again for spending this time with us at Community Capital New York, and I wish you success in your business.